any kind of exam
on the animals?
On the produce?
No. The thing is, if you touch the proteus, you damage their skin, and this is basically almost the only immune system they have. And in this way, they have this. This means you kind of expose them to diseases. So we don't do this. We see the animals, we can check on them. It is an aquarium. We can take photos, no problem. But just do not touch them.
You do have a laboratory here. What do you do in your laboratory?
Oh, we are right now. We work together with the group with Professor Mali. So we are trying to gather as much experience with breeding proteus as possible, so that genetic analysis can be carried out not on these animals but on the next generation. One thing. Then we are checking the development of the proteus, and also we will check how fast they grow. These things can be done in a cave laboratory, because today's science shift. There is a big shift in science from classical, let's say, methods to genetical methods. Today everything is done by genetics.